Hello, welcome again to my channel, and as promised, today I'm gonna talk about 3D sprays and what I've used and what is actually today my daily use. So this is not sponsored, this was bought with my own money, all of them. And this will be my very honest opinion according to my experience with those products. So let's go. The first one we're gonna test will be dry shampoo, and I think this one in particular, it's kind of easy to be found in many countries. And then we have this 3D scan spray, which can be purchased on Amazon, for example, and in many other stores as well. This is permanent. After this one, we have AESub white can. This is also permanent, but according to reviews and to the experts, this might be one of the best sprays or spray brands that we can use. After this one, it comes the AESub green, which is sold like this in an open bottle. It's not an aerosol. You can use this with a spray gun, like you used to paint cars or something. So it's up to you how to apply this on the surface you need. My option was to use this little spray bottle that I'm using from, and for those who 3D print might be familiarized with this brand here, which is 3D Lac. This is a spray to be applied on the 3D printer plate to promote adhesion and so on. So I found this bottle and this spray thing here very good to work with this liquid from AESub green. I've tried another ones, but they always got clogged on the spray button here, and they stop functioning, and sometimes the spray is not good either. So this one never stopped working, and the spray, the way it applies the liquid, it's excellent. I really like this bottle, so I took from this 3D printing glue. I've cleaned the bottle inside, and I took the sticker out, and and I'm using the bottle. It's just perfect to apply the AESub green in small applications like I do, or even in cars, in a corner of a car or a door or whatever. I do like this, but let's get focused on our different sprays, and to test them out, I will scan the same part, and of course I had to get a part that really needs scan spray, which is this transparent glass. And I'm gonna be using the Creality turntable with some markers. I'll be using the Otter, and I will be scanning it on normal, small size, and markers mode, because I think it's the best scanning mode to get the surface detail, because what I'm gonna do and what I want to show it's the difference after the part being scanned. We will see if there is any difference on the surface in each of these products. So I will be applying this to the glass, I will scan the glass, then I will clean it up, I will apply this one, and so on and so on and so on. Then we will compare the results and see if there is any differences on the surface. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Let's see if it goes well. And I think I have one full revolution already, so it's good enough. We can stop here. Let's clean the glass and apply the next spray and test it again. I'll be back in a minute. So let's start scanning. And let's start scan it and see how this 3D scan spray yellow can does it. At the first glance, it is much more dense than the dry shampoo. I had to spray much more with the dry shampoo to get just a thin layer of it, and with this one, no, this one is really aggressive. When you hit the button, yeah, you must be prepared because a lot of spray is coming. All right, more than one full revolution. We're gonna stop the scan here, put it apart, clean the part, and try another spray. See you in a minute. This time we're gonna try the AESub permanent scanning 100% scannable scan spray free of dioxide of titanium, which is cancerous. So there is no danger with this product. So let's try to scan it. I think I've touched here with my finger, so if we see some fail there, it's normal. It's not due to the spray, it's because of me. Let's go. Let's try one full revolution with AESub white scanning spray. I have to tell you that this spray, comparing with the previous one, which was the yellow can 3D spray, 3D scan spray, that's it. I found this one easier to apply, and even the spray, the density of the spray, the spreadness of the spray, I like this one better than the previous one already. So I think we have a full revolution. Let's stop it and save it. All right, so clean the glass and try the last one, which will be AESub green. See ya. And finally we have the fourth scan with AESub green. which is long-lasting, no cleaning, because it is 100% scannable, and it is it will disappear along the time. After 5-6 hours it will self-clean, so it will dissolve, disappear, whatever. Yeah, that's a very good thing, because if you don't want to clean it, you don't have to. You just have to wait a few hours, and that's it. Okay, so let's start scanning this. Let's go. Let's go for a full revolution, as always. And I've always tried to repeat the same process to clean the glass. The same product, the same way, the same sequence. I want it to be as much scientific as possible within my limitations. But yeah, I want to replicate the best I can the conditions between sprays. And that's good, I think. I have more than a full revolution. Let's stop and let's save it. And now let's go to the computer, process all these and see if there are any differences or if the differences are that big. Well, in the meanwhile, I've cleaned the pieces from the markers and so on, and I've cut the glass by there, because I only need the top of it, and I have batch processed all of them with a resolution of 0.2 millimeters and a sensitivity of 1, so high sensitivity for all of them. They are processed already. I already have the point cloud for all of them. They're all done. So now let's do the mesh. So for this one we have 247,805 points. So yeah, I'll leave this like this. Smoothing 0, hole filling no, closure no, and I'll apply the same settings for all of them. Let's go. One is done, the dried shampoo, so now we're gonna do the same for 3D scan spray, the yellow can. So the same thing, 1,000,000, and let's go. And it's done. Next one will be the AESub white permanent. Go. And this is being done with the M1 MacBook Air. Let's go for the last one, AESub green, and we have all done. So let's give a quick look here directly. I can notice some texture on the surface. This is the AESub green, but we have to notice that this was applied by something which it's not meant to be used for this. So the application result can be better if you use a proper tool to apply the liquid to the surface, like an airbrush or something like that, would give a much better quality. So the green it's in, let's take a look on the AESub white permanent scan spray. And sincerely, at the first glance they look pretty much the same type of texture on it. Even here they are pretty much similar. So let's take a look on this one, the 3D scan spray, which is sold on that yellow can. And I think this one has a rougher texture on the surface. Yeah, I think it's rougher, this one, than the other ones. Oh yeah, I prefer the green in here than the 3D scan spray. This is rougher, has more texture, more bumps. And the last one, which was the first, dry shampoo. Oh yeah, forget it. Yeah, this is the worst one. But anyway, if you find yourself in a place where you don't have access to a proper 3D scan, and if for any reason you have a 3D scan but it's finished, you can very well go to a supermarket and get a dry shampoo and apply it, because it will not be as good as a proper product, but let's be honest, it does the job. Yeah, it does the job. So I'm not gonna talk about prices of each of those. I'll let you search and see. I have no promotions, I'm not being paid. This is my complete honest opinion, based on my experience with all of those products. And yeah, I wanted to share this with you, and now you have a good idea about what do you want to achieve and what to buy. And this is why, for me, from now on, the AESub green will be my daily scan spray, for sure, for many reasons, for costs, for yeah, for efficiency, for and there is a lot less waste. I don't waste as much spray with the green being applied the way I have explained before, than with an aerosol one. I think there is much more waste with the aerosol cans than that you have with the green, at least in my experience. So that's it. I will let you decide by yourself according to this test, and I hope you have learned again something with me. I would like to ask you to give me a like, subscribe my channel, please. Now I need subscribers, because I would love to reach at least 1,000 subscribers. So if you can help me out and tell your friends about the channel as well, if you don't mind, give it a like and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. So thank you a lot, see you on the next one. Bye bye.